Korea is a peninsular region in East Asia consisting of the Korean Peninsula, Jeju Island, and Smallest Island. Since the end of World War II in 1945, it has been politically divided under the 38 parallel Patwon North Korea, Domestic People's Republic of Korea, DRP, RK, and South Korea, Republic of Korea, ROK. But countries proclaimed independence in 1948. The two countries fought the Korean War from 1950 to 1953. The region is bordered by China to the north and Russia to the northeast. Across the Amnok, Yalu, and Tumen rivers, and is separated from Japan to the southeast by the Korea Strait. Now, one habitat of the Korea Peninsula dates to 40,000 BC. The kingdom of Gojoseon, which according to tradition was founded in 2333 BC, fell to the Han Dynasty in 108 BC. It was followed by the Third Kingdom, period in which Korea was divided into Goguryeo, Baekje, and Silla. In 668 AD, Silla conquered Baekje and Goguryeo in the height of the Tang Dynasty, forming unified Silla, while Hai succeeded Goguryeo in the north. In the late 9th century, unified Silla collapsed into the states, beginning the later Three Kingdom period in 918. Goryeo was resurrected as Goryeo, which achieved what has been called a true nation unification by Korean historians, as it unified but the latter the kingdom and the ruling class of Balhae after its fall. Goryeo was named developed into the modern Eximni Korea, was highly cultural and saw the invention of the first metal movable type during the 13th century. Goryeo became a vassal state of the Mongol Empire. Goryeo everyday Mongol route before failing to a coup led by General Yu Seonggyo, who established the Joseon dynasty in 1392. The first 200 years of Joseon were marked by peace. The Korean alphabet was created and Confucianism became influential. The ended with Japanese and Qing invasions, which taught devastation to Joseon and led to Korean isolationism. After the invasion and isolated Joseon experienced another nearly 200 years period of peace and prosperity, along with culture and technological development. In the final year of the 19th century, Japan forced Joseon to open up, and Joseon experienced turmoil such as the Gaspin Coup, Donga Daesan Revolution, and the assassination of Express Myeongseong in 1895. Japan defeated China in the First Sino-Japanese War, and China lost sovereignty over Korea, and Korea was placed under further Japanese influence. In 1997 or 1897, the country's Joseon was replaced by the Korean Empire, with the Joseon last king, Gojong, become the emperor of the Korean Empire. Japanese further victory in the 1904 to 1905. Russo-Japanese War expelled Russian influence in Korea and Manchuria. In 1905, the Korean Empire became a protectorate of the Empire of Japan. In 1910, the Empire of Japan officially annexed the Korean Peninsula. Korea under Japanese rule was marked by industrialization and modernization, economic exploitation, and brutal suppression of the Korean independence movement. As reflected in the 1919 March Peace movement, the Japanese suppressed Korean culture, and during World War II, for security mobilization, millions of Koreans to support in war effort in 1914. Japan surrendered to the Alliance and the Soviet Union, and United States agreed to divide Korea into two military occupations. Zones divided by the 38th parallel with the Soviet zone in the north and American zone in the south. The division was meant to be temporary with plan for Korea to be reunited under a single government in 1948. The DPRK and Rock War established with the backing of its power and ongoing tension led to the outbreak of the Korean War in 1950, which came to involve US-led United Nations and Communist China forces. The war ended in the stalemate in 1953, but with a blistering demilitarized zone was created between the countries, approximating the original partition. The status contributed to the high tension that divided the peninsula, and but status claimed to be the sole legitimate government of Korea. South Korea is a regional power and a development country, with its economy ranked as the world 14th largest by GDP PPP. Its armed forces are one of the world's strong militaries, with the world's second largest standing army by military and paramilitary personnel. South Korea has been renowned for its globally influenced pop culture, particularly in music, hip hop, and cinema, a phenomenon referred to as the Korean Wave. That Korean follows Sangwon, a military first policy wing priorities the Korean People Army instead fire and resort. It possesses nuclear weapon and is the country with the high number of military personnel, with a total of 7.8 million active reserve and paramilitary personnel, or approximately 30% of its population. Its active duty army of 1.3 million soldiers is the fourth largest in the world, consisting of 4.9% of its population. North Korea is widely considered to have the worst human rights record in the world. Science and Technology main article, History of Science and Technology in Korea. So a list of Korean innovation and discoveries. Cheongseongdae, the oldest sovereign astronomical observatory in Asia, one of the best known artifacts of Korean history of science and technology in the Cheongseongdae, landed for meteorology astronomical observation built in 634. The early known surfing Korean example of work printing in the Great Dharani Sutra. It is believed to have been printed in Korea in 750 to 51, but if Korean would mark it older than the Diamond Sutra. Jigji, selected teaching of Buddhism suggests and Shawn Master, the early known book printed with moved metal type. 1377, Bibliothèque Nationale de Paris. During the Gerge period, metal movable type printing was invented by Cheo Yun-ui in 1234. The invention made printing easier, more efficient, and also increased literacy, which observed by Chinese visitor was said to be so important, where it was considered to be shameful to not be able to read. The Mongol Empire later adopted Korean movable type printing and spread as far as Central Asia. There is conjecture as to whether of not just invention with an influence of letter printing invention, such as Gutenberg printing press when the Mongols invented European. This innovatively introduced differentiation of Asian technology during the Joseon period. The turtle ship was invented, which was converted by a word tape and iron with thorns, as well as the weapon such as the Big Yo Gjicheo Leo canoe and the Wacha. The Korean alphabet was also invented during the time by King Sejong the Great. Main article: Culture of Korea, Korean art, Korean pottery and porcelain, Korean martial arts, Korean dance, Korean bow, and Korean architecture. Location of World Heritage Site in Korea. That Seoul is home to the separate properties royal tomb of the Joseon Dynasty location top the country. Only one set is known on map. Traditional Korean dance, Jinju Gyeomu. In ancient Chinese text, Korean is referred to as rivers and mountain embroidered on silk. Alphabet Korea and externation of the crown. Alphabet Korea. Individuals are regarded as 1 year old when they are born, as Korean count the pregnancy period as 1 year of life for infants, and the increase on New Year's Day rather than on the anniversary of birthday to one, but immediately before New Year's Day may only be a few days old in Western reckoning, but 2 years old in Korea. Accordingly, a Korean person started J and class among fellow Koreans will be 1 or 2 years more than that J according to West reckoning. However, Western reckoning is sometimes applied with regard to the concept of legal age. For example, the legal age for purchasing alcohol or cigarettes in the Republic of Korea is 19, which is a measure according to Western reckoning. Literature. The section in a excerpt from Korean literature edit. The Tropilaka Koreana. Korean literature is the body of literature produced by Koreans, mostly in the Korean language, and sometimes in classic Chinese. From much of Korean 1,500 years of literary history, it was read in Hanja. It is commonly divided to classic and modern periods, although this destination is sometimes unclear. There are four major traditional poetic forms: Yanga, native song, Byonglong, civil song, or Changa, Longpyeom, Sijo, Kan's melodies, and Gisa verse. Other poetic from the flourished very free in the Gyeong style in the 14 and 15 countries, and the Chakhang word for song in the 15 countries. The most representative in Yungbi, Uchonka 1445 to 47 Song of Flying Dragons, a compiled in praise of the founding of the Yi Jinshi Korean poetry organization, was meant to be sung and efforts and style reflect in melodies origins. The basis of its prosody is a line of alternating group of your four syllables, which is probably the most natural rhythm to the language. One foremost earlier property of lyric song was the Gonghyun Gongin by Yu during Bujoseon. Music. Traditional Korean music include combination of the vocal, folk, religious, and ritual music style of the Korean people. Korean music has been practiced since the prehistoric time. Korean music fall into two broad categories. The first, Yanga, literally mean the local music of or music nation to Korea. A famous example of which is Sujek Rayon, a piece of instrumental music often claimed to be at large 1,300 years old. The second Yanga represents a more Western style cuisine. Main article Korea cuisine. South Korea ceremony and Korea royal cuisine. Conditions believe that the taste and quality of the food depend on its spice and sauce, the essential ingredient to making a delicious meal. There are 4 pasteurized sauce, which or set peppers, pasta, and kimchi are some of most important staples in a Korean household. Korean choice was greatly influenced by the geography and climate of the Korean peninsula, which is known for its cold autumn and winters. There are many fermented dishes and most soups and stew. Korean cuisine is probably best known for kimchi, a side dish which uses a distinct stiff fermentation process as preserving vegetables most commonly. Kabaga. Kimchi is said relieve the brush on the skin toward reducing freckles and providing nature to the skin. Natural is also the as it provides necessary vitamin and nutrients. Garis hujan, a traditional Korean sauce made of red pepper, is also commonly used after as pepper chili pasta, earning the cuisine a reputation for spiciness. Bulgogi, the short marinated men, usually beef, galbi, marinated salt bread, and segment soup shell, pork belly. A popular main course is also a popular commodity as it is the traditional meat that Korean meals are usually accompanied by a sauce or stew such as galbitan, Southwest ribs, or doenjanjigai, format when pasta soup. The central of the table is filled with a shared collection of children's called cha. Other population dishes include bibimbap, which literally means mixed rice mixed with meat, vegetable, and red peppers pasta, and naengmyeon, cold noodles. Instant noodles or ramyeon is a popular snack food. Korean also enjoy food from Pojangmach street vendors which serve tteokbokki, rice cake, and fish cake with a spiced gochujang sauce. Bibimbap, made of steamed, which is wrapped in rich green level sweet and glazed sweet potato. Sundae, a sauce made of Korean noodles and pork boiled is widely eaten. Additionally, some other common snacks include chachopie, jam crackers, baked twig, puffed rice grains, and nurungji. Snack food rich nurungji can be eaten as it is or boiled with water to make a soup. Nurungji can also be eaten as a snack or a dessert. Korean is unique among Asian countries in its use of metal chopsticks. Metal chopsticks have been discovered in archaeological sites belonging the ancient Korea kingdom of Goryeo, Baekje, and Silla.